Alright, home bakers, get ready to make the easiest, most mind-blowing banana bread in just 2 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive in. First up, grab 3 ripe bananas. You know, the ones you've been avoiding eye contact with all week? Mash them up in a large bowl. Channel your inner Hulk. Go bananas. Next, mix in 1/3 cup of melted butter. Don't skimp on it, we're aiming for moist, not cardboard. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Give it a little whirl with your spoon. Let's sweeten things up. Toss in 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Any sugar will do. White, brown, or even that fancy coconut sugar you've been saving. Mix it all together like you mean it. Time to add some depth. Crack in 1 egg and a splash of vanilla extract. About 1 teaspoon should do the trick. Stir it all up until it's one happy family. Now the star of the show, flour. Add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Incorporate it slowly. You don't want a flour explosion in your kitchen. Mix until just combined. Optional but highly recommended chocolate chips or nuts. Because why not? Fold them in gently. Pour your glorious batter into a greased loaf pan. Smooth out the top and pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake for 60 minutes. Yes, you'll need to wait, but good things come to those who wait, right? While it's baking, sit back and enjoy the heavenly aroma wafting through your home. And there you have it. Perfect, easy banana bread that's gonna blow your mind and your taste buds. Subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Happy baking. Catch you next time, bakers.